Okay, y'all, so we are here at the back of the leg. As you can see, I've exposed the glute, the back of the legs here, and the calf. So the muscles and ligaments we're going to be focusing on here is the gluteus maximus muscle. Then we have the gluteus minimus, gluteus medius, and then we also have that iliac crest. And then from that iliac crest all the way down here to the end of the knee, top of the knee is that IT band, which is the iliotibial band. Yes, that's why we call it the IT band. So we'll be getting into that. Back here of the hammies, that bicep femoris. Down here in the calf with that gastrocnemius and also the soleus. And we're gonna massage all this area because if that sciatic nerve in there is pinched, you are gonna start to get sciatica, which from that sciatica, you'll start to get numbness and tingling, weakness, muscle fatigue, and that blood flow is lessened, and you're gonna get that all the way down the leg. So that's why we're gonna massage all this to help that sciatica and all those tight muscles. So are you ready to get into it, Mama?
I'm ready.
Okay. Go ahead and grab your lotion. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath and get to massaging. So remember, when we first start massaging, we're just lotioning up the area here, just like so. As you can see, the sheet has fallen a little bit, but it's okay if so. You can just kind of fix that up just like so. But you want to make sure that this glute muscle is exposed so we can really loosen that muscle to get into that sciatic nerve in there. Just like so. So we're going to do our sweep ups like this with our fist. Remember, we're just going to loosen up these muscles first, and then we'll really get in there with our forearms to get a little bit deeper to help loosen up that sciatic nerve and that low back if needed. Loosen up these calves. Just like so. You can even hold this if you prefer. Really get in there and really use your body weight. Just lean in and massage. Is that pressure okay, Mama? Okay, so like so. And then once you've kind of warmed up those muscles a little bit, you can come down here and also get into this IT band. Now this ligament, if you do have pain, it's because it's so tight. So that's where we got to loosen it up. So you're gonna get your fists, just use like a light to medium pressure. At first it may be tender, just really get in there like so. And then once you find out that it is a little bit looser, you can tell by the skin, a little more movement, then you can use a little deeper pressure with your fists like so. Like this. And then you can come back up and start to use your forearms. So we'll get some more lotion, like this, and come up just like so. Stay right on the muscle like so, all the way up, so right under the glute. Deep breath, and out. And when you hold these positions, just hold them for about 5 to 10 seconds. Let that little pressure go. Come up to your sweeps. Then you can come up again. Then go a little bit further up here in that glute muscle because we're really trying to loosen that up. Pressure okay? And come back down. Just like so. And you want to do this, if you can, a good at least 20 minutes with these motions, these movements. Then you're going to come back down like this. Really get your forearms in it like so. Really get in here to loosen these glute muscles up so we can get deeper into that sciatic nerve. Bring it down this way. And then you can go ahead and bring it up like so. And just put your elbow right there in the middle. Hold pressure. Take nice deep breaths. Hold that pressure for a good 10 seconds. And we're going to do that all around that glute muscle to loosen everything around there, like so. A little bit higher. Elbow right in there. Mama, pressure okay? Okay. Just like that. You can bring it down this way with your fist. Just really loosen that glute up. You can bring it up with your forearm like so. And your elbow. Get close to that sacrum. Hold a little pressure right there. And bring it down. You can even use both forearms if you want to. Like so. Really get up here, close to that hip flexor. Loosen that up a little. Bring the forearm here, right under that glute muscle. Nice deep breath. And then bring it on back. Really get into those hammies. Those hamstrings, they get tight too. So we gotta loosen those. Then of course here, on that IT band, away from the knee, all the way up to that iliac crest. And really just get into all those muscles and that ligament to really help loosen these and help if you do have any sciatica. That sciatica is going to start from the low back there. You'll start to feel it here in the hips and the glutes. Then you'll start to feel it come down the leg and down the calves. You'll get numbness and tingling because that blood flow is lessened. So you need to take pressure off that sciatic nerve. So you can do massage therapy, you can do physical therapy, you can do ice, you can do heat. Ice helps for inflammation and pain, and the heat helps loosen those muscles. Pressure still okay? Feeling pretty good?
Great.
Then you're gonna come down here and get into those calves, because sometimes people do get cramping. If they're getting that numbness and tingling or just cramps in general, really get in here. Loosen up that calf muscle with your palms. And then you can also use your forearms. Do nice little sweeps like so. And then you can bring it all the way up this way. Just like so. All the way up to that low back and bring it all the way down. Just like that. Really loosen it up. You'll see this skin loosen, the muscles loosen, a little bit more movement, like so. Bring it all the way down, just like this. And that is how you loosen up the low back and the sciatic area to help sciatica. And then to bring everything together, you can drape like this, kind of like a diaper drape or like a sumo drape. I remember learning this in school. So fun. So you do it this way so you can expose both the glutes on the sides here, as you can see, both the hammies and the calves. We're just gonna kind of sweep it on down and then finish bringing everything up towards the heart. So go ahead and get your lotion. Put some more lotion on each side, like so. Just so we can get that glide going. So we'll come here first. Start up here, kind of like that iliac crest, right where the low back is. And just kind of loosen it up again. Start off with your palms. You can do your fist. Pressure okay, mama? And since we've already kind of warmed up the muscles, if you want to go a little bit deeper, of course you can do that. And you can go ahead and use your forearms. Come down this way. Then bring it back up. Do those sweeps a couple times. Like so. Again, if you want to get in that sciatic nerve, like on a different view this way, you can hold it this way. And again, just work all these muscles around that area. Like so. Bring it on down, like this. And then you're gonna bring everything up towards the heart. Everything, those fluids. We want everything up to come to the heart and everything to flow. Like so. Then we come over on this side and do the same thing. Just like so with your forearm. Bring it up. Come around and use this forearm. Nice circles around these hip flexors, the glute muscle. And you can even bring it all the way down the leg, all the way down the calf. And bring it up. Like so. Really get in there. Help loosen up those muscles, to help those leg cramps, to help low back pain, and to help sciatica. Just like so. Then we're going to close it out. Bring everything up towards our heart. And finish it out.